Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, I mentioned the chance of upside from Sunday into Monday. While initial momentum looked correct, it failed to deliver 5 hours ago. Just in the last hour, we saw a deviation down from the consolidation zone around 117.7K, which has been holding for 10 days since the 11th of July. Today's low touched 116.5K. Although price bounced back to 117.6K, a wick like this often signals another push down to the same level. Below us, the liquidation liquidity box around 115K remains. A sweep of this zone is still possible before another leg up. This could offer a good entry for those not already in a position, like me, with an average entry near 118K. Checking the 3-day liquidation heat map, today's drop to 116K looks like a targeted sweep of long liquidation liquidity between 115.5K and 115.9K. Meanwhile, bears are opening shorts aggressively, creating new short liquidation clusters above us at 119.7K and 122K. Looking at the larger 1-week liquidation heat map, potential long liquidity still sits at 115.5K. However, the hottest liquidity now sits above at 121K, holding 611.2 million in leveraged volume. Overall, we might see one more dip to 115K before the market targets those higher levels. This is just a quick update for today. Let's see what next week brings. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.